Dolby Atmos not working in Windows 11. Maybe Dolby Atmos is missing, grayed out, keeps turning itself off, or you enabled it but can't hear any difference. Before reinstalling drivers, resetting Windows, or buying new headphones, there are a few simple things you should check first. Let's start with the most common issue, the wrong output device. Open Settings, go to System, then Sound. Under Output, make sure Windows is actually sending audio to the device you're using. This might be your headphones, speakers, USB headset, or HDMI device. Many Atmos problems happen because Windows switched to another audio device without you noticing. If the wrong device is selected, choose the correct one and test again. Next, check Spatial Sound. Still inside Sound Settings, click your audio device. Scroll down until you find Spatial Sound. Open the drop-down menu. Depending on your setup, you may see options like Off, Windows Sonic, Dolby Atmos for headphones, or Dolby Atmos for home theater. If Dolby Atmos is available, select it. This is important because Dolby Atmos works through Windows Spatial Sound. If Spatial Sound is turned off, Atmos won't work properly. Now let's check Dolby Access. Open Microsoft Store and search for Dolby Access. If it's not installed, install it. If it is already installed, open it and make sure setup has been completed. Dolby Access helps Windows configure Atmos correctly for supported devices. Without proper setup, Atmos may not appear, or it may not activate correctly. Another thing many people miss is choosing the correct Atmos mode. Dolby Atmos for headphones and Dolby Atmos for home theater are not the same thing. If you're using headphones, choose the headphone option. If you're using an Atmos-enabled receiver, soundbar, or home theater system, use the home theater option instead. Using the wrong mode can prevent Atmos from working properly. Next, test with supported content. This is one of the biggest misunderstandings about Dolby Atmos. Not every video, movie, or song supports Atmos. And not every YouTube video is Atmos enabled. So if you're testing Atmos using random content, you may not hear any difference at all. Instead, open Dolby Access and use the built-in demo content. Dolby provides sample videos and audio specifically designed to demonstrate Atmos effects. These are much better for testing than ordinary videos. If Atmos still doesn't work, check your audio drivers. Open Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Find your audio device. Right-click it and select Update Driver. You can also check your laptop or motherboard manufacturer's support page for newer audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can sometimes cause Atmos features to disappear or stop working correctly. Finally, if Spatial Sound keeps turning itself off, try a few simple fixes. Restart the PC. Restart the Windows audio service. Try another audio device if available. And if necessary, uninstall and reinstall Dolby Access. Sometimes a fresh installation solves configuration problems quickly. Let's do a quick recap. First, confirm the correct output device. Second, turn on Spatial Sound. Third, install and configure Dolby Access. Fourth, make sure you're using the correct Atmos mode. Fifth, test with real Atmos-supported content. And finally, update audio drivers and reinstall Dolby Access if needed. Most Dolby Atmos problems aren't caused by broken hardware. They're usually caused by settings, device selection, software configuration, or unsupported content. Start with these simple checks first, and you'll solve most Atmos issues without complicated troubleshooting. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more practical Windows tips and troubleshooting guides. and check out the next video for more easy fixes that keep your PC running smoothly.